Hey there, and welcome. Yoon is here. I created this powerful event planner OS designed specifically for event agencies. In today's video, I'll walk you through this all-in-one solution that simplifies managing events from start to finish. Whether you're planning corporate conferences, weddings, or festivals, this template has everything you need, from budgeting and task management to team coordination and client collaboration. Let's dive in and see how you can take your event planning to the next level with this template. Now, let's jump right into the event overview. Here, we have four main views: upcoming, ongoing, finalized, and all events. Starting with upcoming events, you can easily add tasks, meeting notes, materials, and more. You'll also get a quick overview of key numbers, like the total tasks and progress. The same goes for ongoing and completed events, giving you a clear view of every stage. Finally, in the All Events view, you'll find a complete list sorted by status, keeping everything organized and easy to track. Next, let's check out the Tasks overview. Here, we have views for unstarted, ongoing, and completed tasks, with each stage grouped by event. You can also view all tasks sorted by event and also by status for a clear and organized overview. Moving on to meeting notes, we have sections for upcoming and completed meetings. In each meeting, you can add attendees, client decisions, follow-up tasks, and related files. Once a meeting's date has passed, it automatically moves to completed meetings for easy reference. In the Departments section, each department is listed with its leader, budget, and team members, plus an overview of all departments. Now to Team Members section. Here, you'll find essential information like email, phone, role, and employment type, with views sorted by availability and employment type. You can easily switch a member's either status or employment type by sliding it to the right one. For venues, each listing includes location, capacity, and daily cost, and it is also sorted by availability. In the marketing section, strategies are grouped by event and sorted by type, where you can track details like budget, target audience, and platform used. There's also a status view with similar insights. Finally, in the OKR's overview, objectives are sorted by status and organized into current year and general views. The milestones section helps you track key results as they move from occurring to critical to completed. Now, let's dive into the Resources section. Starting with documents, you can categorize each file by type, link it to a specific event, upload the file, and see who uploaded it. Documents are also sorted by type, keeping everything organized. In Resources, you'll find status, resource type, related event, location, and an area for notes. You can also view resources sorted by status and type. The Materials section includes fields for status, material type, delivery date, and total cost, which automatically calculates based on the quantity and unit cost you enter. You can organize materials by status or type for quick access. In Suppliers, you can track each supplier's status, type, contact details, and provided materials. We'll cover the subscriptions section later within the financial dashboard, but here, materials are also sortable by status or type. Finally, we have post-event feedback, where you can log details like attendee name, role, rating, feedback type, comments, and actions taken for improvements. And you can also sort by feedback type. In the Contacts section, we start with the Clients database, where you can track client names, contact details, related events, and meetings. For partners, we have fields for name, company, partner type, and contact info. And finally, in companies, you can store industry, venue, email, and website information. Let's move to the Finance dashboard. Starting with Accounts Overview, we have both a gallery and a detailed view. For income and expenses, you can view recent and current week entries, plus a monthly overview for both. In transactions, there's a recent transaction view along with monthly and yearly histories. The subscription section automatically updates status based on the end date, with options for monthly or yearly billing that are automatically calculated. Finally, the finance overview includes a quick add feature, views for accounts, and both general and sorted by event views for income and expenses. You'll also find a detailed budget view, transaction history, and a list of active and inactive subscriptions. Now, let's explore the dashboard. In upcoming events, you'll see tasks, meeting notes, materials, and more, all organized by their related event. The same goes for ongoing events, keeping everything in one place as projects progress. For meetings, we have an upcoming meetings view and a past meetings view where you can review attendees, client details, and key decisions made. Lastly, in team members, you can easily check each member's availability and access important details at a glance.